Welcome back to Digital Lens. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of Facebook and Instagram marketing, two platforms that have revolutionized how businesses connect with their audience. Whether you're a small local bakery or a global fashion brand, these platforms offer incredible tools to grow your reach, drive engagement, and boost sales. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Meta's features to create campaigns that truly deliver. Let's get started. Facebook and Instagram are more than just social media platforms, they're powerful ecosystems where businesses and audiences connect. With over 2.9 billion monthly users on Facebook and 2 billion on Instagram, Meta platforms give businesses access to audiences of all demographics. But what makes them truly unique is their data-driven approach to targeting. Imagine running an ad for your new cafe and being able to target people who've recently searched for best coffee shops near me. That's the power of Meta. Every successful ad starts with a clear objective, and Meta makes it easy by organizing objectives into three categories: awareness, consideration, and conversion. The first category is awareness, where your goal is to make people aware of your brand. Imagine a local florist running an ad showcasing their stunning bouquets to people in the area. The focus here isn't on immediate sales but on building recognition. The second category is consideration, which encourages people to explore your product or service. For example, a fitness app could run a video ad showing its unique features and inviting viewers to download the app or visit their website. Finally, we have conversion, where the goal is to drive action, like making a purchase or signing up for a service. A travel agency might run conversion ads promoting discounted vacation packages, driving bookings directly through their site. Once you've set your goal, the next step is choosing the right ad format. Meta offers a variety of options, each tailored to different marketing needs. Carousel ads are perfect for showcasing multiple products or features in one ad. For example, an online store might use a carousel ad to display items from their summer collection, shirts, sunglasses, and sandals, all in one place. Video ads are another powerful format. Videos are highly engaging and capture attention quickly. Imagine a food delivery service creating a 15-second video ad showing the journey from placing an order to the meal arriving at your door. Then there are stories and reels. These short, vertical videos are designed for quick consumption. A makeup brand might use reels to show a 30-second tutorial on applying their latest lipstick. Each format has its strengths, and choosing the right one depends on your objective and audience. What sets Meta apart is its advanced targeting options. These tools let you focus your ads on the people who matter most to your business, ensuring your budget is spent effectively. Here are the key targeting methods. Demographic targeting focuses on attributes like age, gender, and income. For example, a luxury watch brand might target individuals aged 30 to 50 with higher income levels. Geographic targeting shows ads to people in specific locations. Imagine a pizza shop targeting ads to users within a 10-mile radius of their location. Behavioral targeting focuses on online activity and interests. If someone frequently searches for hiking gear, they're likely to see ads for outdoor equipment in their feed. Have you ever browsed a website, left without buying, and then seen ads for that exact product on Instagram? That's retargeting, and it's a game changer for businesses. For example, let's say someone adds sneakers to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. Retargeting ads can remind them of those sneakers, often paired with an incentive like free shipping to nudge them toward checkout. This strategy is incredibly effective for converting hesitant customers into buyers. To make running ads easier, Meta offers powerful tools like Ads Manager and Meta Pixel. Ads Manager is your campaign dashboard. where you can set up, monitor, and optimize your ads. Imagine being able to see exactly how many people clicked your ad, visited your site, or made a purchase, all in real time. Meta Pixel is a small piece of code added to your website that tracks visitor actions. For instance, if users frequently add items to their cart but don't check out, you can create targeted ads specifically encouraging them to complete their purchase. These tools give you full control over your campaigns and help you make data-driven decisions. Meta platforms are accessible to businesses of all sizes, thanks to their flexible budgeting options. You can start with as little as $5 a day and scale up as you see results. For example, a yoga studio might allocate $10 a day to promote their weekend classes. This flexibility makes it easy for beginners to experiment and learn without breaking the bank. Facebook and Instagram have transformed the way businesses connect with their audience. From precise targeting to creative ad formats, these platforms offer endless possibilities for growth. Now that you understand the fundamentals of meta advertising, it's time to start crafting campaigns that work for you. Stay tuned for more insights in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Lens. Let's keep learning together.